In this section, I'm going to walk you through on how to get a WordPress plugin installed. Now that we've installed the theme, it is now right time to install the different kinds of plugins we want to use on our website. Now, why the theme is the design of your website, the plugin is additional functionality to your website. The theme is not enough, and the WordPress plugins are what actually makes a WordPress plugin platform an outstanding one, because with the WordPress plugins there are hundreds of different WordPress plugins you can actually use to extend the functionality of your website. So let's say I want to add a contact form where people can actually contact me from my website. I can use a plugin to do that. Let's say I want to start collecting payment online. I can actually use a WordPress plugin to do that. So there are a whole bunch of things you can do in order to extend the functionality of your website using the WordPress plugins. So in order to install a plugin, we go and click on the plugin here, and this will bring us to the WordPress plugins that are installed on our website already. So we can just go ahead and click on add new here, or here we can add new here and click on add new here. So once we click on the add new button, it will bring us to the WordPress plugin directory where we have different bunch of free plugins that we can actually install. So it all depends on what you want on your website, what you want to do, the kind of functionality you want to extend with your website. So you go ahead and install the WordPress plugins that is that goes with that. So let's say we want to install a contact form. So we'll go ahead and search for the contact form 7. It is a very popular plugin, and as you can see here, the ratings we have over 1,600 ratings and more than 5 million downloads and active installed. It is compatible with your WordPress. It was updated 2 weeks ago. With this version of WordPress, it is compatible with it. So we'll go ahead and install it because we want to use it to create a contact form for our contact page. So all you just need to do, once you see the plugins you want to install, you go ahead and click on install, just like we installed um, our WordPress theme. And then after installation, you go ahead and click on activate. And take note of this, that I told you that these tabs will keep increasing depending on the plugins and the themes that you install. So now that we've installed the contact form plugin, it has added a contact tab here. So this is where we can actually go and customize this plugin to add to our contact page. And to equally, if you have gotten a premium plugin that you want to equally install, my theme shop, which I recommended earlier, equally have a lot of free and premium plugins you can actually buy and use it to increase the functionality, to extend the functionality of your website. So once we click on add new, it will bring us to this page as well. So in order to install external plugins that we've downloaded or bought from a third party, we'll go ahead and click on the upload plugin here and browse where we downloaded the plugin to, and just click on open. And once you click on open, you install the plugin and activate. So basically that is how you install WordPress plugins on your website, and the plugins all depends on what the functions you actually want to extend on your website.